Hello friends, how are you? Today is very interesting questions of a square. We are given a square A, B, C, D, in which R is a point on AB joined by the corner C. And then on this CR, a perpendicular is drawn from point D at S. DS is perpendicular on CR. Same over here from point B, another perpendicular is drawn on CR at point T. We are given the length of these perpendicular drawn from B point on CR and drawn from D point on CR. Only these two lengths are given to us. We have to find the area of this portion A, DARS. DARS, the area of this region is to be obtained. Okay. Nothing else is given. One condition is also in addition given to us, that it is a square. It means if we assume that the length of DA is equal to A, then DC will also be equal to A. Okay. These are the three conditions we are given, that this perpendicular is equal to 4 centimeter, this perpendicular is equal to 5 centimeter, and these all the four sides of the square are equal to A, which is not numerically given to us. We have assumed that it is A. Now we have to find the area of DARS. How we can do it? First of all, we will take under consideration the triangle DSC. This is 90-degree angle, and in this triangle BTR, this is 90 because we have drawn the perpendicular from B on CR and perpendicular from D point on CR. So that it will be 90, it will be also 90. Remaining two angles, let they are alpha plus beta are complementary angle. Okay, we are assuming that alpha and beta, alpha plus beta, they are the complementary angle. It means they are 90. It means if somehow we consider this angle is alpha, then this will be beta. Okay, this will be beta. This is alpha, and hence we are writing here this is beta. Red one is beta and blue one is alpha. Okay. Now on corner C, total angle is 90. It means that will be alpha. Remaining portion will be this will be alpha. Okay. And if it is alpha, this is 90, so that it will be beta. It will be beta. This will be beta. And hence, this will be alpha and this will be beta. And this will be beta. It means all blue were, they are alpha. Oh, sorry. This was blue. This was alpha and red one is beta. Now, let us consider two triangles. DSC in triangle DSC and triangle BTC. BTC, DSC. This angle 90, this angle 90. This is alpha, this is alpha. This is beta, this is beta. It means angle similarity is there in between these two triangles. Angle similarity. Triple angle similarity. Angle similarity. Other than one quality is also in these between these two triangles is this: the hypotenuse of both the triangle are equal. Only due to this condition, because hypotenuse is equal, then their perpendicular will also be equal and base will be automatically equal, because these are not, the size of the triangle depends upon the hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is same, it means perpendicular and base will be same of these two triangles. Now, because this is, you can understand over here. These are the angle similarity. They are having, these two triangles are having angle similarity. This angle is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. This is 90. This is 90. But if we apply the condition that diagonal this side should be perfectly equal to this side, then automatically the size of this triangle will become equal to exactly the size of the another one. So that this the condition, the application of the condition that the hypotenuse of the triangle DSC is equal to the hypotenuse of triangle CTB, that is because they are the part of the square, so that these two triangles will totally equal to each other. Their perpendicular are equal, their base are equal, their angles are equal, and their hypotenuse will be equal. Now it means, let us take under consideration for angle beta. We are taking beta in this triangle. Beta base is equal to SC, and perpendicular is equal to 5 for this angle. Perpendicular is equal to 5, base is SC. But in this triangle, but in triangle CTB, this is for a triangle, in triangle DSC. But in this triangle, base is equal to what? Base is equal to 4, and perpendicular is equal to DC. It means this perpendicular will be equal to 5 because the perpendicular of this is 5, and the base of this triangle is 4. That it means this base will be equal to 4. Okay, this will be equal to SC will be equal to 4. SC will be base. This will be equal to 4. Okay, this is to be noted. It means this will be 4. SC will be equal to 4. But because these two triangles are just replica of each other. Okay, that's why the perpendicular, this should be equal to the perpendicular equal to this perpendicular. This base must be equal to this base. Okay, so now total area of triangle DSC and TBC, this will be equal to 1 by 2, 5 into 4 plus 1 by 2, 5 into 4, base into height into base into height. That is equal to 10 plus 10, that is 20 skew cm. This area is obtained. Area of this 10, area of this 10. Remaining area is this. How? Remaining area. The area of the triangle can be obtained if this is known to us. This is the perpendicular. This is not known to us. How we can find it? Okay. Now in this case we can apply the angle similarity rule only, because their hypotenuse are not equal, so that arms will not be equal. We were considering the case of sine angle beta. Angle beta is this. For this angle beta, perpendicular is 4, and this is, let us suppose, x. In triangle RBT, TB upon, this is perpendicular, TB upon TR for angle for angle alpha. Beta, sorry. For angle beta. That is TB is not TB is 4 upon x. Okay. Now consider this one. For angle beta, TB was perpendicular. Perpendicular for this case is 5. Is equal to 5 and upon 4. Okay. In this triangle, for angle beta, perpendicular is equal to 4 upon base is equal to x. 4 upon x, perpendicular upon base. In this triangle CTR, for angle beta, this is perpendicular 5 upon base 4. You can consider this triangle also. In this triangle, you can also take this one. For this triangle beta, perpendicular is equal to 5 and base is equal to 4. So 5.4. It means x can be obtained. It means x will be equal to 16 by 4. Hence the area of RTB. Hence area of triangle RTB, this will be 1 by 2 x into 4. 4 times 4 into x, that is 2x. Or we can say 16 by x, 1 by 2 x into 4, that is 2x. 2x, x is equal to 16 by 4. Sorry, 16 by 5, sorry. That is 16 by 5. 2x. It means area is equal to 2x, that is 16 upon 5 into 2. That is 32 upon 5. Area will become 32 upon 5 of this area. This will be equal to approximately 6.4. It means this area is equal to 6.4 s cube. This is 10 s cube and this is 10 s cube. If we add these three and subtract from the total area of the square, we'll get the area of this question. Now question is how the total area of the square can be obtained. It means we have to first of all find the value of A. A can be obtained from this triangle or this triangle. Whatever the type of the triangle, you can take this one and this one. A square is a hypotenuse equal to 4 square plus 5 square. Same is the condition over here. A square will be equal to 4 square plus 5 square. It means A can be obtained now. This is done. This is done. We are having presently what we are having. This is to be noted here. I am going to rub it. That presently area of DSC is equal to 10 SQCM triangle and triangle CTBC is equal to 10 SQCM and triangle TRB, this is equal to, we have calculated 32 upon 5, that is 6.4 cm, square cm. These are, note to us, total are 26.4 SQCM. Now question is to find the area of the square from this equation. Now we are going to rub it and going to find the value of A from either of the triangle. Either we can take the triangle DSC or we can take the another triangle, that is TBC. Okay. Now in triangle DSC, BC square, applying the Pythagoras theory, BC square The square of DC will be equal to SC square plus DS square. SC square is 4 square plus 5 square, that is 16 plus 25, that is nothing but equal to 41. DC square is equal to A square. A square itself is area of the square, that is area of the square. It means net area is equal to 41 SQCM, hence the remaining, hence the area of the portion that is asked by you in question is DARS will be equal to 41 minus the summary of these three, 26.4, that is equal to 6 40.6 centimeter square cm. Answer. This is the answer. This answer will be 14.6 SQCM. Good. It was very good question. Interesting question. I enjoyed this. I think you have also enjoyed this. Thanks for giving me such an expensive time for watching my video. Lot of thanks to you, and please keep enjoying with my videos and channel. Don't forget to give me likes and subscribe. Thank you. Good night. Good luck.